everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Jessica and I'm a part-time reseller on Poshmark and Mercari, and today's video is going to be all about Mercari and what is selling right now on the platform. Now today is May 14th, 2020, so this will definitely relate to this time of May, but definitely consider checking out the Mercari website because you want to always stay up to date with what is actually selling right now, and that can give you a better judgment on what you should be trying to sell on the platform so you can get a higher volume in sales and also a higher return on your investment. And before we jump into this video, I really want to give my Poshmark shout out of the video. So if you guys don't know, I give one shout out at the beginning of every single one of my videos now about someone who has watched my video, left their Poshmark closet in the comment section down below, and is subscribed to my YouTube channel. It's just a way for me to give back. So today's Poshmark closet shout out is Ginger. Thank you, Ginger, so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel, and she even went in and shared a few of my items on Poshmark, and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. So I really appreciate it, and I have her Poshmark closet pulled up here, so definitely go give her a follow and a share. Her Poshmark closet is JinMitch7, and show her some Posh love. All right, let's get right into the video. So I have my Mercari closet, actually my Mercari homepage pulled up here. So you want to log on to your Mercari account, and you're going to actually just look at the home page and scroll down to where it says see what's selling. Now Mercari is awesome because they give you current information in real time on what is actually selling on the platform, and I love that because with a lot of like Poshmark and such, you have to really do your research on to see what is currently selling, how much it's selling for, but Mercari does a really great job of this, and they actually put it on their homepage, so they really give you a lot of information up front on what is selling, and it could be anything. It could be from electronics to home decor, it could be clothing, baby clothing, women's, men, you name it. They give you the updated data and information on what is selling. So the first thing they are telling us is that Nintendo Switch, $70, Apple Watch, $90, 9-item bundle for custom, and it looks like that is like skincare or makeup in there. Kind of looks like L'Oreal. $80. And there's a trend also that I see right here. It all says free shipping. Now, if you know me and you watch my videos, I don't like to give free shipping because it takes a lot out of your return on investment. Now, if it's just something from your closet and you're just trying to get rid of it, of course, put free shipping, why not? But if you are actually thrifting and paying for the item, you don't want to take that $5 out of your profit just for shipping. So I personally don't like to offer free shipping. Sometimes I randomly will, but I typically don't. But these people did put free shipping, so you know that probably took $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10 out of their profit. Here we have a Rae Dunn canister for $37. I'm going to hit see all so I can see more items that are currently selling right now. Now, Rae Dunn does really well on Mercari. I have done one of these videos several months ago, almost probably a year ago, and Rae Dunn was like the top brand. It like did super well. So here we're gonna see some more, and you can like narrow down the category to like toys or whatever, but I'm just going to do like a general view of what is selling right now. So we have Air Jordans for $87. We have 2 Galaxy S7 for $45. We have the Ring Spotlight camera for $120. So this is such a great way to see what is selling right now. We have Chanel, we have new with tags Michael Kors. That Chanel sold for $300 with free shipping. We have sneakers for $60, Coach purse, Dolphins. That's pretty cool. A Dolphins helmet, even though I don't like the Dolphins. Helmet for $205. That's pretty awesome. a bundle of shorts for $40. So what I'm seeing is purses, shoes, and electronics. Just from looking, and this is how your mind needs to work when you're looking for a trend in what is selling, because this gives you an idea on what you can sell. So I'm seeing a lot of electronics, I'm seeing a lot of shoes and purses. Now let's scroll down and see if we see any other trends going on. And I think it's all for like a pretty decent amount. So that's something else you want to pay attention to, is like how much is this actually selling for? If you see a ton of shoes that are only selling for like $10, then no, that's a waste of your time. But if you see a lot of sneakers that are selling for like 100, 150, whatever, then that might be worth your investment. Okay, again, I'm seeing a lot of purses. I'm seeing a lot of Nintendo Switch. So that seems to be a trend. I'm seeing a lot of phones, actually Galaxy. I haven't seen one iPhone. I'm seeing a lot of Galaxy Samsung phones. And yeah, here's an iPhone. Here's an Apple Pencil, another Galaxy phone. So a lot of phones. iPhone 7, a lot. PlayStation, so a lot of electronics. So this really just gives you an idea of what's current on the platform. That's all I really wanted to show you all today, is because some people don't even realize that this exists. They just go on their phone and just upload photos. But if you actually take a look at what is selling right now, it might really help you when you're either going through your house or thrifting to sell items. So definitely take a look at that whenever you guys get a free moment, so you can see what is trending right now. And it's interesting to me that certain platforms have certain trends more than others. Like the app Let Go and Mercari seem to have a lot of electronics. Like that's like a primary category for the app, where Poshmark, you can sell a lot more clothing, I feel, rather than other things. And again, Poshmark started with clothing, so that makes sense. But and I'm not too knowledgeable on eBay. I've heard like everything sells on eBay, so but that's just something I wanted to share with you all. I hope you found it informative. If you do have a Poshmark closet, definitely leave it down in the comment section below so I can give one of you a shout out on my next video. And be sure to subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and I will see you all in my next video. Also, keep in mind, I upload a video 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 6 p.m. So make sure to click the bell so you never miss a upload with me. Remember, 3 days a week. Don't forget. All right, guys, I'll see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.